Let's talk about tags and tag-based permissions. We've added a new feature to Contentful called tags. Tags are kind of user-defined keywords that let you attach an editable label to a piece of content. This is something that you can do in both a private version, only folks internally in your organization can take a look at it, or publicly. It'll be returned via the Contentful delivery API if you want to use it on a delivery API. Let's go ahead and pull up my thing, and we can click into tags, and we can see that I've already created some tags for this situation. I have two tags. I have a public tag, which I'm using for typing. I can go into content. We can pull it up in the sidebar. We can pull up tags, and we can sort, and we can see, hey, I've got my Power Rangers, my Kamen Riders, and all of that. And we can also, create some views where we can see, okay, show me specific stuff of just tags of this type, which is great. This is really nice for kind of keeping things organized, keeping things up to date. Creating tags is really easy. You can just do it from that tag menu, and then attaching tags is also really easy. We can just click into it, we can click tags, and we can add as many as we want. And we can also do that straight from the high-level content area. Let's go ahead and grab, this one, and we can add or remove a tag. We can add the Super Sentai tag, and we can save it. This is great. This helps us organize things, especially when we start to get lots of content in here, or maybe we have a lot of editors and we need to just kind of keep things flowing. Where tags gets really powerful is where you start doing things with roles and permission. If we pull up my tags again, we can see here that we've got these legal tags. Let's say I'm an organization and I need lawyers to take a look and just clear my content sometimes before it's ready to publish. Let's say, I'm doing a press release, or I'm a public company and I need to make an announcement, and whatever reason, lawyers need to take a look and just give me the okay, this is good to go, or no, this isn't ready, it needs a little more work, you got to fix the typos. We can do that, and we can make sure that that's only available internally. Let's say I've got some lawyers and I want them to take a look at only these two things, and their time is really valuable to me. I don't want them to see anything that doesn't have legal attached. We can go into roles and permissions, and we can go ahead and click one of our roles. I've pre-created this. I have my pretend lawyer organization because I don't have any real lawyers. It's just me. And we can click into content, and we can see how we have it filtered. In this instance, I have edit access only available to things with that tagged legal entry. I have read access to only things with that tagged legal access. And I let them delete things that need review, but not things that are cleared. This is my rules lawyer, and we can go ahead and actually take a look and see that I have two pretend lawyers. One of them is my alternate account. Let's go ahead and take a look at my alternate account, which I have up here in Google Chrome. And we can take a look, and we can see that the only things that I can see in this view are those things that I've marked as needing review. Why don't we go back and maybe mark one of my pieces of content as needing review? Let's say this one right here needs to be reviewed, and legal needs review. Hit save. Now if we go back to here to my alternate persona and refresh, we can see that that has shown up. I can click into it. Since I have the permissions to change this, I don't have permissions to publish it, but I do have permissions to change the tag. I can go in and I can do that. And I can also, leave a nice little comment and be like, yep, this looks good. Publish it whenever. Hit my comment and then change it to legal, cleared for review, cleared to publish. And delete that old tag. And like I said, this is just a nice little workflow thing that lets you keep things organized and keep things clean, especially as you start to build a really large content team, or especially as you start to get lots of content. This kind of stuff I find is very, very helpful. Just a quick shout out, like I said at the top, if you want to keep an eye on all of these things, you can do the Contentful changelog. You can subscribe via RSS, or you can just visit the page every so often, or you can just keep an eye on our YouTube channel, maybe subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll have one of these videos back for you next month. Otherwise, hopefully I'll see you on a Tuesday. We live stream every Tuesday where we build things using Contentful. And otherwise, that's it for me for this month, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, everyone.